Look at him, ain't he pretty? I found him in the hallway. Where's your owner? Why are you running around in the hallway you're taking care of? God, he almost ate all that. He's in here. Popcorn tried to take him or beat his butt. I got him on a different. Until they get to know each other, I might keep him. Pretty good. He said, "Watch out, Popcorn. Popcorn, no." See, he wants to kick his butt. Popcorn shutting. You come first, though. Yeah, shoot the boss. After you were escaping the other night, you gotta wear a collar all the time now.